Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I am making a firewood rack. It's 8 foot long by 4 foot high, essentially a face cord worth of wood, and those are the materials that you'll need. I have two 10-foot 2x4s and three 8-foot 2x4s. Here I'm cutting the bottom pieces at 8 foot 6 inches. And then the side pieces that attach them together will be 12 inches. And to fasten them together, you just use pilot holes, drill some pilot holes and put the fasteners in. And that's what it looks like. Pretty simple. You'll use a lot of screws for this. And here I'm adding some extra support, just centering it up. These are about 9 1/4 inches. I suggest that you measure and cut as you go, but these are about 9 1/4 inches, and I just centered them up, drilled my pilot holes, and fastened them in. When you're dealing with wood, you want this rack to be nice and sturdy, so adding a lot of support is pretty important. And these are the side pieces. They'll be 4 foot. You need 4 of them. And you can just cut your 8-foot 2x4s in half. And to attach them, I cut a 9 1/4 inch piece, drilled some pilot holes, and fastened them together. I got this idea from another YouTuber, made a similar firewood rack. His is made a little different than mine. My steps are a little different, but it's very similar. And this is a great firewood rack. It's very sturdy. And I've made quite a few of these. And here I'm just fastening the side rail to the bottom base. And it helps if you have a clamp. I use it quite a bit for this, and drilling pilot holes is very important. Otherwise the wood will split. And adding an extra support piece to the bottom and to the side rail is what I'm doing here. Again, pilot hole, add the fastener, and repeat. Everything needs to be good and sturdy. You can use a 1x4 for this. I've used a 1x4 previously, but 2x4s are fine too. And you just measure it, I think 22 inches. Make your marks, and it should be good and straight. Pilot holes are necessary. The wood will split. But so far, that's what it looks like. Everything's real sturdy. It will support a lot of heavy pieces of firewood. And here's the last step. These are 17 inches and cut at a 45-degree angle. And this is very necessary. You don't want to skip this step. And there's 4 of these pieces, and that's what they look like. Again, drill the pilot holes. Very necessary. The wood will split. I made the mistake one time of not drilling a pilot hole in this, and it'll split. So again, use your clamp, put them in, and then you should be all set. The whole thing should take you less than an hour. If you make several of them, you'll get better and better at them, but it took me less than an hour. And that's it. This one is going to a customer, and you can use the middle pieces to carry it if you don't have somebody to help you. And I'm gonna throw this one in the truck and deliver it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it helps. I hope you can make one for yourself. If you have any questions about anything, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.